Hey traders, today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful clues that a market is shifting direction, the change of character. If you've ever missed the perfect entry at the start of a new trend, this is the concept you need to master. It's your first early warning sign that the market is about to reverse. Let's break it down step by step. What is change of character? Let's simplify it. Change of character means the current market behavior is starting to shift. It's not just a small pullback. It's not just noise. It's the first crack in the old trend, a sign that buyers or sellers are no longer in control. Basic idea of change of character. If the market is in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows, then suddenly breaks a previous lower high, that is a bullish change of character. If the market is in an uptrend making higher highs and higher lows, then breaks a previous higher low, that is a bearish change of character. So in short, bullish change of character equals break of a lower high in a downtrend. Bearish change of character equals break of a higher low in an uptrend. That tells you, hey, this trend is losing momentum. Something's changing. Structure. Before the change. To spot a real change of character, you need to know the structure first. In an uptrend, price goes higher high, higher low, higher high. In a downtrend, price goes lower low, lower high, lower low. These patterns are normal structure, but when the market breaks this structure early, that's when change of character appears. Many traders mix these up. Here's the easiest way to remember. Change of character equals first sign of reversal. Break of structure equals confirmation of trend direction. Example, you are in a downtrend. Price suddenly breaks a previous lower high that's a bullish change of character. Then it breaks a lower low in the new direction that's now a bullish break of structure. So, change of character happens first. The early clue. Break of structure happens after the confirmation. In short, change of character starts the reversal. Break of structure continues the trend, bearish change of character. Example, let's say the market is going up. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Suddenly, price breaks below the previous higher low. That's a bearish change of character. What does it mean? Buyers have lost control. Sellers are stepping in. The uptrend is no longer safe. What should you do now? Mark out premium zones above. Look for order blocks where price could retest. Wait for a liquidity sweep for confirmation. Bullish change of character. Example. Now let's flip it. The market is trending down. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Suddenly, price breaks a lower high. That's a bullish change of character. This signals sellers are losing strength. Buyers are taking interest. The downtrend might be ending. Enter at bullish order blocks or fair value gaps. Why change of character is so powerful? Most retail traders wait until it's too late, but smart money traders use change of character to catch reversals early, align with institutional footprints, get better risk to reward entries. It's not just about patterns, it's about what's happening behind the scenes. Who's winning? Who's losing? Change of character gives you that first answer. Change of character works on all time frames, but here's the smart way to use it. Use 1-day or 4-hour charts to find the overall trend. Use 15-minute or 5-minute charts to find change of character entries. Why? Because change of character on a higher time frame means a massive reversal, but on a lower time frame, it gives you sniper precision. Mindset around change of character. Here's the truth. Change of character is a tool, not a holy grail. It's only powerful when used with patience, wait for the proper break. Confluence combined with liquidity, order blocks, and bias. Discipline, don't guess, follow the structure. The mistake most traders make? They enter on the first wick that breaks a high or low. That's not a change of character, that's noise. Wait for a clear break and close. Wait for price to retest the zone. Wait for confirmation before entering. Full change of character. Entry setup. Here's how a smart money trader uses change of character. Identify the current trend. Watch for a break of structure against that trend. This is the change of character. First, mark the order block or fair value gap. Second, wait for price to return to that zone. Third, look for confirmation like a liquidity sweep or internal BIOS. Fourth, enter with proper stop loss and R to R targeting. Next, liquidity levels. Let's put it all together. Change of character. The trend is shifting. Break of structure. Now the new trend is real. Use both in sequence. Change of character to spot the start of the move. Break of structure to ride the trend continuation. This combo gives you early entry confirmation confidence in your setup. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you want the next video on market structure. Like and subscribe. More smart money content coming your way.